Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dazzles and Sizzles. Today's video is a guide on how to choose the right kitchen knife and how to use it. So I present to you 12 types of kitchen knives. Alright, so while many may think of a knife as just an ordinary tool, a chef wouldn't think that way. The knife kit is as important to a chef as the stethoscope is important to a doctor. So using the right knife for the right job doesn't just improve the quality of your cuts, it's also a safety measure as various injuries can be prevented by using the right knife. It also saves time and effort in the kitchen. So to the 12 types of kitchen knives I have for you in this video. Number 1, the chef's knife, the paring knife, utility knife, bread knife, burning knife, cleaver or butcher knife, carving knife, mincing knife, decorating knife, cheese knife, tomato knife, and the Santoku knife. Now the chef's knife to start with. It is one of the most frequently used and essential tools in the kitchen. It has a long, broad blade with a straight edge and is perfect for everyday dicing and mincing tasks. The paring knife. It has a short, slim, evenly sized blade with a pointed tip. It is great for working on small or tender vegetables and fruits. It is used for peeling apples and potatoes and mincing small amounts of garlic and onion. Utility knife. It is ideal for performing multitasks. The blade is longer than a paring knife and narrower than a chef's knife. It works well for chopping and slicing through smaller foods and vegetables and allows for more precise cutting work. The bread knife. A bread knife has a long, evenly sized blade with a sharp, serrated edge. It is designed for use on softer items and is useful for slicing through bread. It can also be used to slice through cake and act as a cake leveler. The boning knife. It has a slim blade with a very sharp edge. It is used to remove meat from the board without ruining the surrounding flesh. Now this is one thing you should note about a boning knife. It is important that you don't attempt to cut through bones with a boning knife. The cleaver or butcher knife. It has a rectangular shaped blade and is useful for chopping raw meat and also to cut through bones. The broad flat surface can also be used for crushing garlic cloves or ginger against a chopping board. The carving knife. It is a long slim knife with a sharp point and it is ideal for creating cleaner and more uniform slices. It is useful for creating thin slices of meat like poultry, pork, lamb or beef. It can also be used to slice through larger fruits and vegetables. The mincing knife. A mincing knife is a curved knife that is held with both ends and used by rocking it back and forth. It is useful for mincing vegetables or herbs into small pieces with minimal effort. The decorating knife. It is a knife that has a pattern in the blade that appears on food the cut. The cheese knife. The cheese knife usually has hole in it to reduce the contact the surface of the cheese makes with the knife. It works optimally on soft cheese. Tomato knife. It is about 6 to 7 inches in length. It has small serrations on the blade and it is ideal for slicing the skin of tomatoes while preserving the tomato fragile texture. The Santoku knife. It has a long, slightly tapered blade which is great for cutting, dicing and mincing. It is useful for cutting fish. The large broad blade can also be used to scoop up and transport chopped food after cutting. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope I was able to provide some valuable information and now you know the knives you need and how to use them. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and comment for more amazing content. Bye.